Hey everyone, and welcome to another incredible scientific adventure. Today we're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of robots. That's right, folks, we're talking cutting-edge tech, mind-blowing engineering, and machines that are blurring the lines between science fiction and reality. Buckle up, because things are about to get awesome. First up, let's meet some robots that look eerily similar to ourselves, humanoid robots. These marvels of mechanics can walk, talk, and even recognize objects. Imagine a robot chef whipping up your dinner, or a robotic helper folding your laundry. The possibilities are endless. But humanoid robots are just the tip of the iceberg. We've got drones that can soar through the skies, capturing breathtaking aerial footage and delivering vital supplies to remote locations. Talk about high-tech bird's-eye view. And then there are the robots that are venturing into the unknown. Submersible robots are exploring the depths of our oceans, uncovering the mysteries hidden beneath the waves. They're like real-life aquanauts, braving the pressure and darkness to bring us a glimpse of this underwater world. But robots aren't just about exploring new frontiers. They're also making a big impact right here on Earth. Medical robots are assisting surgeons in delicate operations, ensuring incredible precision and minimal patient discomfort. These are the surgeons of the future, folks, and they're saving lives with every procedure. And let's not forget the industrial robots that are powering our factories. These tireless machines are cranking out everything from cars to computers, keeping the wheels of industry turning efficiently and safely. The coolest part? This is just the beginning. The field of robotics is growing at an incredible pace, and scientists are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Who knows, maybe one day you'll have your own personal robot companion, or even ride in a self-driving car. So what are you waiting for? The future of robotics is here, and it's nothing short of incredible. If you're fascinated by science, engineering, or just plain cool gadgets, then this is the field for you. Thanks for joining me on this robotic adventure, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic science content.